What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode, we're checking out a store where everything is 50 cents. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find what I see. Make people live through, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so we're starting down here by the beach, the Cambodia City Beach. In this video, I wanted to show you, they have these stores in Cambodia, and it's called a 2,500 Riel store. And when you convert that, that's about 50 cents, maybe 60 cents, somewhere in between that. So this is like Cambodia's version of Dollarama, or the dollar store, or Dollar Tree, you know? And we'll go in there and maybe we'll spend $5 and see how much stuff we can get. But it's 9 a.m. now and I'm kind of hungry, so maybe just before we reach the store, we should grab a bit of Khmer Cambodian breakfast. Try out this place. It's just across from the river. So we had a little bit of difficulty ordering because they can't speak any English, and they brought over something that had some pictures, and I could choose between some different rice things, and so I chose like a seafood fried rice. Wow, thank you. So I was just having my first couple bites, and he brought over a soup, which is normal to have on the side with like a Khmer breakfast, a tiny little bowl of soup, but he's giving it to me in a bigger bowl. Let's see. I like when it tastes like a real broth, like a bone broth, or like it's been really made for hours instead of, you know, just a powder mixture with water. This tastes like really good. So they just brought something else over. Let's take a look. It's like some pickled veg. So cucumber, carrot, radish. There's some garlic and chili flake. And it's all pickled. Pickled and garlicky kind of. You know, no matter what breakfast dish you choose, you would usually get a little soup and a little pickled veg on the side like this. So it's not only if you get seafood fried rice, it could be if you had rice and chicken or rice and pork. Any rice dish, you always get a little soup and a little pickled veg normally. It's really good. So all of that, it was $5. You could easily find that same meal, and I'm sure you'll all comment it below, but for like $3, you could have that exact thing. And maybe it would be a little bit less nice, but you wouldn't notice. Like you'd have a much tinier thing of pickled veg and a tiny soup that is probably more instant, and the rest would be pretty much the same. But when they're only $1.50, you're like on a plastic stool in an alleyway. This is like directly across from the riverside. So I think a little bit of this meal I had was you're paying for the beautiful location at the same time. Like if I had eaten in a place more like this one, the prices are probably a bit cheaper, but you're kind of at a dusty roadside with really loud vehicles going by, and if they do a really good job and they're nice to you, I don't mind if it's an extra $1 or something. Okay, so there it is. I bet you that sign is saying, you know, one item is 2,500 Riel. All right, so they're playing Khmer music very loudly. So we'll see what happens with that. I might have to replace a lot of the audio. So we'll start here. There's hats and like toys and stuff. This is actually a good sign. I need sunglasses. I'll probably get these ones right here. They even say Tommy on them. Tommy Trips Out. I probably will get those. That's a cool idea you could do too. I've seen as an idea for like a first date, you come here with the person and you each have to pick a pair of sunglasses for the other person to wear, and they have to wear them. So you pick the most embarrassing ones, like these say happy birthday. Like imagine if I had to wear these the whole time on a date. So like I pick one for them and they pick one for me. Like so you could do this at a 2,500 Riel store. So it looks like bathroom products, and this looks like stuff for women, like maybe hair elastics and makeup sponges and accessories for jewelry. Now also I have to remember I'm moving to Siem Reap in about a week, and so I don't want more stuff to bring with me in the bus. I could bring some to the bar with me and be a hero, and everyone at the bar will be like, "All right, he brought us potato chips." Well, here's stuff like for doing the dishes or maybe cleaning the bathroom and stuff. I could actually use a toothbrush. We should get a basket. So there's even like pantry items like bagged sugar and different sauces and maybe cooking oil, hot sauce, laundry stuff. If I wasn't moving, I would buy some of this. So yeah, it's a great place to come if you've just moved house or you have a new apartment, because you can get all kinds of stuff you need, but you don't really want to spend lots of money on this stuff. So it's good to come to the 50-cent store, you know, for little metal scouring pad or steel wool or little brushes to do dishes. You don't want to spend $6 on that. Like, I was even seeing there's cutlery and little sets of chopsticks and little dishes that go with it. All the kitchen tools you need. So here's sets of like forks and knives pre-packaged. You can grab as many as you need. Oh wow, I didn't even realize this. There's a whole clothing section to the store. A lot of children's and baby clothes too. Some of it doesn't look too bad. You can feel it's not the most amazing quality, but I could wear that. Here's a Puma shirt. So they even have bowls, plates, things like that. I like these style. And there's a whole aisle of Tupperware and glasses and plastic bins for anything you need. These are all different kinds of ice cube trays, but all different shapes and depths and sizes and fun shapes and things like that. I've actually been looking, I want flip-flops like this, like that look like enclosed shoes, but they're like a flip-flop still. Let's see what I've got so far in the basket. Okay, so I'm gonna get these shoes. Toothbrush and 2 pairs of sunglasses. If those are all 50 cents each, that means everything in here is only $2. After that, this aisle turning into like arts and crafts. Like here's a little glue gun. They have all kinds of little things, and then there's on this side stationery, so colored paper and pens and markers and whiteout and. But this comes in handy as a teacher too. If you're a teacher, you could come to these shops and look, the dry erase markers. Often as a teacher, you have to buy your own supplies like that. Dry erase markers. Having a red pen is good for when you're marking stuff. Like this, that's a teacher pack right there. 1 red pen, 2 other things. And tools, there's screwdrivers. Sometimes when you're moving in a place and you have just small jobs like a picture frame or a doorknob or a light fixture or something. There's gardening tools too. Scissors. And look, they do have phone cable stuff. I needed a new iPhone charging cable. They have everything in here. They have screen protectors and even phone cases too. I guess you have to find your right model. I want to see if I can find garbage bags, because that's something I can use when I'm moving out. Okay, I found garbage bags. It was back in the very first aisle we were first looking at that had the toothpaste and everything. Because they look different. I had to ask, because this packaging, you would never know. But there's 3 big garbage bags in here. Looks like it's women's socks or something. Like I didn't know this was garbage bags. So hopefully there's 3 big ones in there. That I might need more than that, but that's a good start anyway. Maybe we'll grab one snack for the bar just so I show up with some stuff for the boys. So anyways, when you're visiting Cambodia, you gotta check out this store. If you need little things, just walk up and down every aisle and you'll think, oh, I could use this, I could use that. Okay, let's ring it all in and see what the damage is on this basket of goodies here. Oh yeah. So that's $5 US. So now you know what you can get in the 2,500 Riel store. And they have them everywhere. I've seen even 2 or 3 other ones when I usually walk home. And sometimes they're a little bit more like a hardware store, some of the other types. This one seems more like kind of an everything store. Some of the other ones have more things that you use for home hardware, and it's also like a 50-cent store. But I couldn't believe they actually had clothes too. And that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.